Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful, powerful, and versatile Excel tools out there. Today, we're bringing you one of our easy-to-use Excel tools. For those of you who've been following us for a while, you know that many of our Excel tools are designed for the logistics world, and today's no exception. What we have today is an empty miles calculator in Excel. Let me show you how it works. As you know, we've been building Excel logistics tools for the last 16 years, and all of our tools are built in Excel, serving a specific purpose. There's nothing to install. All you need is a Windows desktop version of Excel and a Google Maps API key. We have step-by-step instructions on how to get your free API key. Once you've obtained your API key, simply paste it into the designated area, and you're all set. Today's tool focuses on calculating driving distances for trucks, but with an important factor: the empty miles, also called Deadhead miles. Like all of our tools, this one is powered by the Google Maps API, making it extremely flexible in the types of addresses it can use. You can enter full addresses, cities, zip codes, and more. In this example, we have a list of trips that a truck is making, and we're trying to calculate driving distance, driving time, and the empty miles. To do this, we simply paste the starting and ending addresses of our trips and click Calculate. Once you hit Calculate, the tool will generate driving distances and times using Google Maps, calculate empty miles, which are the miles the truck travels after delivering a load before picking up the next one. For example, if the truck delivers a load in Chicago and the next pickup is in Denver, the miles between those 2 points would be considered empty miles. As easy as that. The tool is available for download through the link in the description. If you need any assistance or customizations, our phone number and email are also provided. Yes, your call will be answered. You'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel distance calculators. Just a quick flex. We have over 7,500 satisfied clients, from small businesses to large corporations. Check out our Google reviews, where most are 5 stars. These reviews show exactly how our tools help people like you streamline work processes, reduce errors, and save time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with someone who might need this tool. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tools. See you in the next video.